I'm Chef Hannah, and today I'm here with my dad.
Chef Dad, woohoo!
So today we're making pancakes.
Man cake pancakes.
So our ingredients are
4 eggs, 3 cups of buttermilk, and 1/2 cup of milk. They're already mixed together. And 1/3 cup of melted butter.
You have 3 tablespoons of sugar right here, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and 3 cups of flour. We're gonna add all of our wet ingredients together. So first, we're gonna do our eggs. Let's do one. You can do the next one.
I like to call pancakes flapjacks. That's a fun word to say. Flapjacks.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna mix the eggs and the milk mixture and the melted butter, all the wet ingredients all together.
While he's doing that, I'm gonna put all the dry ingredients together. So first up, I'm gonna put the salt together. Don't forget, it's 3/4 teaspoons.
Ask me if this is gonna be good. Is this gonna be good?
Oh, yeah, of course.
You better believe it. Get it? Better believe it.
Yeah.
Did you know that pancakes are named after Peter Pan?
No, they're not.
No, they're not. That's not true. Don't
Okay.
pay attention to that.
Okay, I'm gonna get this done.
Oh, one of the keys is not to stir it up too much once you mix them together. You want it still a little lumpy, kind of like me. Let's think of things that rhyme with pancakes. What rhymes with pancakes?
I don't know.
Bran flakes, another breakfast item, lots of fiber.
This is...
Tan snakes.
Okay, I'm done.
Rhymes
You can
with-
stop now.
Okay. Van brakes, you know, like a minivan. Van brakes. All right, we're mixing them all together now.
Okay.
All right, so you put your stove top or grill top on 350. Take a scoop of the lumpy batter, and you just put it down in kind of a pancake shape, or pancake shape.
We've already cooked a few over here. Looks good.
Look at that.
And when the bottom kind of looks like it's forming as a cake, that's when you know it's perfect time to flip it right over. And sometimes there's a little excess. You get little tiny baby pancakes. Okay, so now we have all of our pancakes done, and let's get ready to eat them. And there's so many different things you can put toppings to change the way they taste and style your own. So, what are you doing?
Syrup on there?
Yeah, I'm so down.
My favorite topping on pancakes, by the way, is more pancakes. So,
Oh, of course.
but I also like a little whipped cream on there. Yeah, you can make a little smiley, little like that.
Good job. Yeah.
Wanna get some?
Wait,
Get
no,
some?
you gotta put the eyeballs on there.
There you go. Look at that.
And you gotta get your little baby pancakes.
You can go straight in for the kill. There you go.
Okay. Sometimes to make it a true man cake, I need you to bend down a little bit. Take out a pancake.
No,
Get
wait.
your whipped cream.
I don't know about this. Oh.
And
I don't know
your
about
chocolate
this.
chip.
Oh, I don't know about this.
And it's a sandwich!
Oh, almost.
So close. After we've been playing around and eating all these pancakes, it's time to get real and put some toppings on.
Yummy.
Okay, can I put some chocolate chip?
All right, let's dive in.
Oh my goodness. Let me get a little piece.
Mmm,
Yum, 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 yum.
yummy.
That's so good. So if you want to try more delicious recipes like this, go to www.flashfastfoods.com. Bye!
Woohoo!